Hello, my name is Gaspar Avedano, and I am going to briefly present the WOHA Observatory and how this WOHA program links with livestock data for decisions. But first of all, let me explain what WOHA is. As you might well know, the World Organization for Animal Health is the intergovernmental organization responsible for improving animal health and welfare worldwide. It was created in 1924 and it is the reference organization for animal health and zoonosis-related matters within the framework of the SPS agreement at the World Trade Organization. One key mandate of WOHA is the development of international standards. Standards that are captured in the articles of our terrestrial and aquatic animal health codes and manuals. But what is the WOHA Observatory? Well, as previously explained, WOHA establishes international standards related to animal health and welfare. All our members participate in this standard setting process and are encouraged to do so. But once these international standards are adopted at the General Session, how do we know if they are really put into practice by our members? This is the reason and the mandate that was given to the Observatory in a resolution in 2018 to monitor the implementation of WOHA standards and identify the barriers that our members face when putting them into practice. How does the Observatory do this job? How do we monitor the implementation of international standards? The first step is the collection of information. The Observatory collects data from different WOHA departments, data that in turn these different WOHA departments have collected from our members. The Observatory also gathers data from other international organizations. Then the Observatory analyzes all this information to get an understanding of the level of uptake of WOHA standards and the challenges to implement these standards that our members may have. Finally, the Observatory draws conclusions and have recommendations that are directed not only to our members but also internally to different WOHA departments. These recommendations intend firstly to improve the adherence to WOHA standards and secondly to have a more efficient mechanism for data collection and storage. What can the community do for the Observatory, and what can the Observatory do for the community? The Observatory endeavors to enhance the standard setting process, identify capacity building needs and solutions to help members, and contribute to ensure that WOHA and donors' investments in capacity building meet their goals. On the other hand, the livestock data for decisions can advocate for the implementation of WOHA standards, work with WOHA and the Observatory in information sharing, and engage with national governments for the submission of timely and quality data to WOHA. Thank you very much.